Hello guys, click on launcher icon of Screen Translator app. Wait for few seconds to load next screen. This is our Screen Translator home screen. On home screen there are three features: on-screen translator, conversational mode and text translation. To enable on-screen translator feature, click on this accessibility service toggle button. This app is using accessibility service to get text anywhere on screen from other apps. To provide text translation, we need accessibility service, permissions to read the text. We respect your privacy and don't collect any personal or private data. We need your consent to proceed further. If you agree, click on Allow button to enable accessibility service of Screen Translator. Now click on Installed apps in Accessibility feature and find Screen Translator app. Now enable accessibility service of Screen Translator. Read carefully. If you agree, then click on Allow button. Now go back to home screen. Now click on Setup Translation and select language and allow apps for quick translation like this. Now you can drag magic bubble on text for quick translation. In last, I just want to clear that our app Screen Translator is not collecting nor sharing any personal data of yours. Thanks for using our application.